Hi, this is Resilient Ken Lau. Today I want to demonstrate to you what is the new improvement I did, right? So basically that I key in the data in this year, and then the email address for my student, and all I need to do is just click on this email and I send this into a person, right? So your email can be Gmail, can be any, as long as you set up your Outlook first, right? That is your job. And also you need to do one more thing, is that you go to setting, right? You need to create a folder called PDF and then check on this. Okay, then you're ready to go. And now let's just take a look here. Okay, so what happened is that we created this file, and thank you, right? This is subject, and this is for Resilient Ken Lau, the first one. And then we have the second one, is still Josie. So here it says thank you dear student Josie, right? Double click, open it, and you can see that this is for Josie. You are a champion, excellent learner, and you attended this class, right? And signed by me, right? Yeah, that's good, right? That is an excellent task, right? A year of attitude. Okay, so click OK, close all group, and let's come back to here, right? And that's it, right? That's very good. Although you get inspired by this idea, right? You can use many things. Use Excel VBA to do many other things, right? It's all limited by our imagination. Or I could say that it's a God-inspired inspiration. So that's why I say God bless you. Jesus love you.